guess I'll feed the chickens some fresh shards.
What you got there using?
A rice knife. This thing works pretty nice. I'll even give it some lettuce. Lettuce is pretty good. I'll have a bite of that for pretty good stuff.
I know someone else that might enjoy some of that.
Is that right? The camera lady. Would she like?
No, I was meaning our new pet.
Oh, yeah, she probably would. She likes kale better than Swiss George though.
I don't know if she would go after the lettuce.
Well, maybe. She might do.
That thing just slices them, right off.
It does. This thing works pretty slick.
I know the last couple of times I cut lettuce,
Is that what you use?
I used that. I held it and it just sliced right through.
Yes, thing's pretty
Way better than using scissors.
Oh, yeah. And you can even cut your Sudan grass down.
Jeez.
You can chop it down and you can chop it up. Whatever you want. I got this from Perfect Pastures Farms. I'll leave a link below for this. This thing is nice. I used to use a sickle all the time, which is similar, but it's smooth. It's smooth and it's a longer blade. It works really good too, but this works way better than what a sickle does.
It's a nice handheld
Yeah, it is.
instead of a big bulky.
I'll take this over and give it to the chickens. In their winter run, they got a pretty big stack of crap over there. You know what this is, don't you? I think you know what it is.
And they all follow.
Oh yeah. They know what this is.
It's like congregation time.
Yeah. There you go. Are you sure about all that there, Sarge? Get down.
Paul's on top of the...
He's always up there.
Jeez.
Get down. I can't reach you, buddy. Get down. Come on. Get down. Get down.
Sheesh. Do not get up there.
Oh, we got shade cloth on it.
He was holding on for dear life
He
up
was.
there.
He can grip in that shade cloth. It was plastic, which we didn't put on it yet. Every day I give them, actually I usually give them a bunch of that stuff every day for the last, I don't know, week or two. Cleaning out the garden. Throw it in there. You can get in there if you want to and eat.
Yeah, you're on camera. They love fresh greens.
I do.
What are you doing, turkey jerky? Hi, you're on camera. There you are. Is that your best side? Is that why you turned, or is that your best side?
You never know.
Yeah. That is him making that. Yeah. You better get in there and get some.
You sure about that, Freckles?
You better get in there.
You're gonna miss out. Got 4 roosters, and they all think they got crow at the same time, except for Angel. He don't crow a whole lot.
Turkey went to go get a piece, and that one cream-colored one turned around like, "Don't you dare!"
Yeah.
And she kind of backed down from it. She's still skittish, but
She is. She's better than she was. We had her probably close to a month now, I guess.
I'd say.
We liked her fresh greens. That's going to be compost in the spring, or whenever. They'll break all that stuff up. They'll scratch at it all winter. I'll flip it around like I did last winter.
That's all you have to do.
Springtime, they'll awful noisy. She got right down.
Nice, I saw that.
She got right down for him. Good job.
That's, yeah.
Yeah.
If they all did that,
If
they
they all
wouldn't
did.
all be scratched up.
They probably still would be.
True. You like being on camera, don't you?
I think he does.
Yeah, eyeball the camera and
Trying to figure out what you got.
yeah. All you have to do is grow 'em some greens, and
Yeah, they definitely love
Wow.
your greens. I need to take that shade cloth off and put plastic on. About that time of year. Put plastic on there so they got a place to protect them a little bit when it's cold and snowing out.
you coming to say something? You talk a lot.
Let's do.
There, turkey jerky's getting some.
We need to get some more straw sometime this week. Always keep the pitchfork close by. And the older ones know what this is.
They see him come with the pitchfork, they gather. They know he's turning it upside down and there might be worms, or
Hard to tell what all's underneath there.
and they just go insane when he does that.
Browse.
Especially Trump.
I won't.
She's right there.
I won't mess with it too much now because I just put some fresh greens down. I don't want to cover it up.
She is always there at your feet when you start that.
In the winter months when there's no greens to give them, I always come in about every evening and do that. Or I did last year anyways. Hopefully I do again this year. But we'll see. I'm going to wrap it up here. I got nothing else to say. I just want to show you what the chickens were up to. So, till we meet again, take care and God bless.